gonna get a toy. It's something that you guys can see from somewhere.
You're gonna have
somewhere.
it somewhere. You
Yeah.
have to find it.
And the
And
mamas
I
are
see
gonna
a face.
find. Yeah, and where am I standing? Is this the toy? Everyone lift it up. Woo. And it is an Elsa.
It's a frozen.
You guys can
It says
see
frozen
right?
right here. Frozen.
Yeah, it's behind it. No, that's not frozen. It says fashion 2. Fashion 2. Okay, guys. We're going to unbox this. How do I open this?
Wait, Mom.
And we got
I know how to open it. Can I?
Why? Okay, wait.
No, you cut it in. So there's something down here. You cut.
Okay. I can't cut it. Okay, you guys can just wait for us to open it. Because this is hard. Okay, you guys can see. There's tape. Okay, I got that.
Okay. No, I think that's enough.
Oh, we got it. Oh, what is this? What? There's still more tape. Okay.
Oh my god, I didn't even see that.
Okay, I have one more. Up here. There. We got it. Everybody.
Now we're gonna take
Okay. Oh! Now it's just a box.
We still need the scissors.
Oh yeah.
Wait,
Look behind. Look behind. You guys can see also. Well, I'm opening the back. Wait, let me.
Oh, you don't need the scissors or.
Okay, guys, I'm going to open the back. I don't know how
Let me
to
try.
open this. How do I open this, guys?
I think I have an idea. Maybe it will work. Let me just try. So, let's move this hand from you guys.
No, let me do it. It's so hard for you. Okay.
No, it's so hard for you.
No. Well, that one is hard. Okay.
Each they have the same shoes. Why?
I can't cut it, guys. That's weird. We opened the Elsa and Anna up, and there's also Olaf,
the
the
snowman.
snowman, which has hands. I think he's gonna melt if he's gonna be in the hot hot sun. Yeah.
You remove the hand. What?
I didn't expect that to happen.
Yeah.
Terus ada apa lagi ya? Ini dia punya mahkota ya.
Yeah.
Dia punya mahkota. Ini anting-anting ini punya Ana apa punya Elsa?
Anna.
Ini punya Ana.
Ada lagi.
Ada lagi ya. Ini anting-antingnya ya, satu pasang. Dan ini ada magic. Nah.
Magic wand.
Punya siapa ini? Ana apa Elsa?
Elsa karena biru.
Oh Elsa.
Yang ini
Dan
pun.
ini punya Ana. Kalung Ana.
Iya, juga ada
Ini
ini.
apa nih? Ini kalung Elsa teman-teman. Kalau yang ini kalung.
Mana kalau mau set?
Anting-anting ya. Oke.
Ada satu
Kita
lagi.
coba dulu ya. Kita coba pakein ya.
Ada satu lagi.
Iya.
Apa ini?
Oh, I think for Elsa.
Itu gelang kayaknya.
Iya.
I think for Elsa.
Oke.
Mungkin.
Ayo coba kita pasang yuk.
Kan dulu.
Yeah. Put it on. How do you put it on? Oh. Okay. Messed up. What are you spinning?
I don't know. I just can't spin it. Let me just see this. All of them are pink. Can you wear it? How do I wear it for him? Oh, this is open, guys.
This is Elsa's old.
Sorry. I just need to put this. His purple cape can't. Is like.
How do we open her cape? It's over here. How do we open it? Don't cut it.
Ini dia Elsanya sedikit aksesoris.
Mama, kayak mana buka cape-nya? Kan ini ada ininya.
Oh iya ya.
Mama bantuin.
Oke.
Ew, why?
Nanti ya.
There's Elsa here.
Ini dipakein bisa nggak? Dipakein. Nih, ini anting ini.
Abang coba yang. Abang coba yang Anna. Hey.
Oh, I think.
No. This is already done. Get it. I can't get him.
Okay,
I'm
Olaf.
I'm going Olaf.
Okay. That is beautiful.
Okay, this is kind of hard, guys. I'm not lying. It's kind of hard.
Can I open the shoes?
Let's open it.
I can open the shoes. Let's open the shoes.
Oh, I thought there were no shoes and you were gonna open it. Which way do I have to do it? Probably this way.
I can open her clothes too. I can also open her clothes. I don't know how to open.
Oke, sekarang Anna sama Elsa udah selesai di unboxing. Ini dia Anna dan Elsa. Ini Ananya, ini Elsa, dan ini Olaf. Oke, sekian dulu ya teman-teman. Sampai jumpa lagi. Bye bye.